Hello everyone, today I would like to share my software developer internship experience with you working on a cybersecurity project in an IT solution company, and this is all thanks to the support from Career DC. Interning in the tech world has been a thrilling roller coaster of learning and growth. My approach might be a bit different as I took a proactive learning stance throughout my journey. In my first 2 weeks, I collaborate with industry experts diving into real-world problem-solving situation. I was handed a project documentation on my first day, learned my duty and responsibility, and I had to plan carefully for the next 3 months. I actively provided insight into existing coding flaws, suggesting optimal approaches, and designing a solution that would set the stage for the company's future growth. Throughout my software development journey, I actually experienced the full software development life cycle as what we learned in school, breaking down the problems and making steady progress each week, and I even finished the project ahead of my schedule. Impressed by my efficiency, I was entrusted with initiating a second project within my 3 months internship. Demonstrating my IT capabilities and bringing my professional knowledge to the table was one of the cooler aspects of all. Being proactive, making positive contribution, and expressing yourself without fear of mistakes are the keys to a quality internship experience. Interning as a software developer was truly transformed my journey, and I am excited to see where this path leads me next. If you are looking for a quality internship experience like mine, reach out to CareerDC or visit careerdc.com.au.